Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting the keyboard via USB or a Midi interface so Garageband can see it. Once done, open Garageband and create a new project with a software instrument track. This tells the app to accept Midi input. Make sure Smart Controls show the input source and Midi channel. This ensures notes and velocity map correctly. You do this early because a correct input route prevents phantom notes and latency, and it lets you test sound immediately rather than troubleshooting later. Next, pick the instrument patch in the library and play keys to audition tone. You want an appropriate sound before recording. Then go to GarageBand Preferences, right arrow Audio/MIDI and adjust the buffer size. Lower buffer for real-time play, higher buffer for stable multi-track recording, balance CPU and latency. Once set, enable the track and enable software monitoring so you hear the instrument as you play. This helps you lock feel and timing before committing to takes. Finally, use Countin and the metronome to establish tempo, then press record to capture MIDI data rather than audio. This preserves note edits later. After recording, open the piano roll to quantize timing, tweak velocities, or remove stray notes so the performance feels tight and musical. When satisfied, bounce the project via share right arrow export song to disk or export MIDI if you need raw note data. If you encounter no sound, check MIDI channel, cable, driver, and buffer settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.